Of course, we know the economy will also be a hot topic after the election results, or it's already a hot topic as we speak, of course, with some of the election results, of course, already known. 99.9% of the votes already in, and we know where we stand as a nation. Now, Chief Economist at Econometrix Dr Azar Jammine says the market would react negatively to an ANC and MK coalition government. He says the perception is that such a government will be tilting to the left, which would be unpopular with the markets. Following the ANC's dismal showing at the polls, the party would need an agreement or coalition with another party or parties to stay in government.
Last week, the rand initially had risen to a level of 18.06 rand to the dollar. And as soon as evidence started emerging of the extremely powerful performance of the MK, we started seeing the rand losing ground. I know that there were some international factors also affecting the currency, but it depreciated by even more than one might have expected in the face of a strong international dollar. And that was largely due to the perception that the ANC, that was the other factor, just seeing that the ANC's vote was falling well below 50, and that meant that the ANC might be compelled to form an alliance with the MK and or EFF. And that is very, very unpopular with the markets, because the perception is that such an alliance, such a government would be tilting to the left. It would see government spending on social grants and largesses increasing sharply, the public debt rising, and as a consequence, the currency would collapse and inflation would soar and interest rates would rise and economic growth would fall very sharply.